So, good morning everyone. Let's be back to the learning of ChatGPT. Let's go again. That today we are going to learn how to create a resume with the ChatGPT. तो सबसे पहले हम लोग ChatGPT को खोल लेते हैं. Then we will look. Okay. Then now the ChatGPT is open. So now we have to provide some details that how we have to create a resume. So first, like my name. Okay. Then my mobile number. Okay. Then my email address. And then after my email address, my address where I live. Okay. So my address is like okay. Now my qualification. So my intermediate is in 2020, 2018. High school is in 2016. Okay. And graduation in 2022 with BC Math. Okay. Math. And let's provide more detail. My experience is 5 years of teaching, then self-finance coaching, then teacher, 1 year teacher at Freedom Employability Academy, then skills I have. Let's write in short. Too long is it? So like time management, adaptability, communication, classroom managing, and I have so many skills. Then digital skills, then internet skills, and let's leave it. Let's go for personal detail. Personal detail, like father name. So then date of birth is and Indian, and Indian. Then language is Hindi, English, Urdu. Now it's done. Let's create. So create a resume. We have to wait for some time, then it will be respawned. If my internet work, actually I'm facing network issue. That's good. Now it's ready. Yes, now it's ready. So I have to. I want this document in PDF format. Then it is let me know if you need a modification or addition. So if I want to modify, then I will modify also. Let's I want in PDF format. Okay. So just I write. Hmm. So save as PDF. Now I will just simply export it. Okay. My resume is ready. Let me uh, do it. Change into document. Change into document. Now it's changed. Now it's look more. I have to work as now as much as I can. Okay. Wherever I need notification, I will notify it. Okay. And then I want to download. Now the resume as a PDF is ready. Then I will simply click on download. Hope so. My internet is working. My network is not that much good. Sorry for that. But it will be work soon. Let's wait for a little bit. It will be work soon. Okay. Sometimes it's appear that since I can generate download, but it will be generated. Okay. No need to hesitate that it will be generated. So मीन्स कभी कभी ऐसा होता है कि ChatGPT बोलता है कि मैं डाउनलोड लिंक नहीं शेयर कर सकता, बट वो डाउनलोड लिंक बना सकता है. सो डोंट लूज योर होप. इट विल बी वर्क. ये वर्क करता है. File not found. It will be work. If it's not working, then by chance if it will be not work. Okay. Then simply go here. Okay. Copy the link. Then you may simply it will go on the Google Docs or MS Word and you can just simple paste it. It will be also work. Like if it's not working, then but it work करता है वो because I am using ChatGPT. So it will be work. Okay, but I'm showing you that what you have to do. Just I simply click on the copy, then I simply open my MS Word, then click on blank document, and then just I have to control and B. Let's look, all the thing is ready. Simple. My whole PDF is ready. Okay, let's see. Control P. In the print view, it will be a little bit high. So for that, we have to do little modification. Like we have to do a little bit short that gather all the things in one page. Okay. So little after the little modification, it will be go in one page. Okay. Now all the things in one page. Let's see. So the document is here. Okay. You have to do a little bit modification. You have to cancel it. So all the things in one page. Okay. There will be little bit changes are there. थोड़े changes हम लोग को करने पड़ेंगे. But it will work. Okay. Don't worry. It will work. थोड़े बहुत changes हम लोग को करने पड़ते हैं. But as you know that all the things in just one. Just copy and paste and you will got it. All the things. Yeah, simple. Resume is ready. All the thing language knows Hindi, English, Urdu. I have already clear all the things is there. Yeah, simple is it. Okay, let's be back. Thank you so much for watching the video. I will share that it will be download when it's will work. Okay, if it's not work, then you will go on simple. Okay, just you need to copy and then you have to paste. Okay. Let me give one more command. If it's work, convert into MS Word format. Okay. Let's see if it's work. Maybe. Now it's work. Let's click on download. Yes. See it. Now here is the document is ready. As I said that it will be work. It's working. Just you have to give the correct prompt. As I'm giving the prompt is just convert into document. Then it's converting document. I have to share that converting MS Word. Then it will be work. Let's like look at all the thing work and how good is it. Okay, all the things is here written. Dedication result, reference, you get 5 years of teaching experience, including self-finance coaching. Yes, at written. All the things is there, and you will edit it a little bit. Then it will be good. So now it's good. Thank you so much. Bye bye.